Long ago are the days where the onset of spring meant that housewives everywhere opened the windows, shook out the rugs, and cleared out the closets. Today, we are far too busy to dedicate a week or even a couple of days just to tackle spring cleaning. Many of us have forgotten that spring cleaning can improve our mood. Apparently, just like other types of exercise, the act of cleaning causes our body to release endorphins. And using lemon-scented cleaning products can help you de-stress, as studies show that a citrus smell reduces stress and leaves a positive impression on others. In light of today's busy schedules, here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating National Spring Cleaning Week. Lighten up and take a realistic snapshot of where you are today. Just because Grandma had time to do this doesn't mean you do. Don't let other people should all over you. Pick one thing a week that you would like to tackle. It could be just the front closet or the upstairs windows. If you don't have time to fit these things into your schedule, can you hire someone? There are lots of teens looking for part-time work. Find a way to get and keep your organization. Get rid of clutter. If it's not necessary, get rid of it and let someone else clean around it. With less to think about, there is bound to be less stress related to your physical space. Looking for more ways to build your resiliency? Take my free online vulnerability test at WorkSmartLivesmart.com under the Resources and Courses tab.